Welcome to Technicates, Episode 3, The End Game. You have to think about why you're doing your business and how you're going to get out. It's going to be one of the first questions you're ever asked by an investor. I promise you, what they'll want to know is, what is your plan to get out of your business? If you have a great idea and you have your mission and your vision, the first thing that you should think about is why you're doing it and how to get out. There are two different types of businesses that I want to go over. One is the lifestyle business. You could be wanting to do this for the rest of your career and wanting to retire or sell the business at the end of that career. That could be your service industry business. Technicate is one of those businesses where we provide services and application development to people, and we want to do that throughout our career. We enjoy the product development. There's also the business that you want to sell. It's the business to get out of. So essentially what you have is you have this great idea, you tie in all of these investors, and you may create a board of directors in order to create a series round of funding in order to build this business, and then at the end you sell it for a specific amount of money to do it all over again. You're that serial entrepreneur. You have this great idea and you want to continue having those great ideas. Those are two great different ways of doing business. And when you list your business mission and vision, you should be able to outlay exactly why you're doing it. Are you really just businessing yourself into a job? Are you wanting to continue being the greatest programmer, so you're just going to be a freelance programmer in order to feed yourself? That's okay. That's one way of doing business. So let's think about the different types that these businesses may be, so you can really understand, and when you're looking at your mission and vision, can tie yourself into that type of business. One type of a lifestyle business could be a landscaper, a guy that wants to go out there, get a ton of clients, and continue to do landscaping for businesses or anything, any type of occupation like that. He is businessing himself into a job, wanting to continue to have a business, to be able to have a free lifestyle and be able to be self-employed and have that kind of freedom. A business of purchase is a business like, let's say Shazam. Shazam was a great business that built into the entire music recognition industry and blew up. So Apple bought them for $400 million. They probably had that intent for purchase. They had a great idea, they got it to a valuation that made sense to them, and then they were out. Those are the two different types. Really know your business. Understand why you're doing it. Understand your end game. Because a lot of times, I did it. I thought that I just had great talent. I'd start a business helping people, and I never really thought about the idea of getting out of it. And what that can do is that can trap you into owning a business when you necessarily may not want to. All of a sudden you have 20, 30 clients and you can't get out of it. You never really thought about the end game and what your intent for doing the business is. Make sure you make that plan and make it up front and stick to that all the way through the process. Thank you for listening to episode 3, and know your end game, and I'll see you on episode 4, Technicates.